Dear students, now we are moving on to the conditional 1 or first conditional. Here the formulation that we have already learned, but I am repeating this again for your better understanding. That is, if plus present simple, then other part will have future simple. That is, will do. Here do means the verb will be in base form. The concept is very important to keep in mind. That is a present or future situation of high probability. Okay. Example. Here is the situation, that is I see her quite often. I see her quite often. The example is, if I see her tomorrow, I will speak to her. Here the part that has if is called subordinate clause, and in conditional 1 it will be always in present simple. That is see. The verb is here see. So other part is, or the principal clause, I will speak to her. Here will is the auxiliary verb and speak is the main verb. Another situation, there can be some changes. It's a case of high probability of future or present situation. So in this situation we can give an example, that is if anything changes. If anything changes, or if anything changes we will let you know. So if anything changes, that is in present simple, then other part here is we will let you know, that will be in future simple. Okay, that is conditional 1. The important thing you should keep in mind, that is the situation will be of high probability. A present situation or future situation of high probability. Okay, now we are moving to the conditional 2 or second conditional. As usual, the formulation is if plus past simple. So the other part or the principal clause will have would do. Here do means the verb will be in base form. The concept that you have to keep in mind, that is a present or future situation of low probability. In the conditional 1 that was high probability, but in the conditional 2 it is a present or future situation of low probability. Here another concept that you have to learn, that is zero probability or hypothesis. Zero probability, that means there is no probability. Okay. Example. First, here is a situation, that is I don't often see her. It's a situation. The example is, if I saw her tomorrow, I would speak to her. That is low probability. Maybe or maybe not. The another situation regarding zero probability or concept number 2, that is I don't have any time this week. And in this situation I will give you an example, that is if I had some time I would tidy up my office. That means I don't have time this week. If I have time, or had time that I would tidy up my office. I think your conception about conditional 1 and conditional 2 or the differences between them is clear to you. I also pressurize or focus. You have to focus on the point that is low probability and high probability. The first one is high probability and the conditional second was low probability and also zero probability. Okay.